Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Boniface Nebo. Today I will be showing you how you can recharge your DStv anywhere you are in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, and your DStv will start showing once again. As you can see, it is in channel 100, channel 100. That is where it is now. So to do that, you first of all put your DStv channel at number 154. 154. Just press 154. So once it is in channel 154, as you can see, you will see the message notification E16. This channel is blocked because it may not be part of your package, or your services may have been disconnected. As you can see the smart card number. So let's go ahead and subscribe this DStv so that it will start showing once again. So with me here, I have my device, my subscription POS. It's a POS device, an Android POS device. That is what I've been using to recharge DStv, GoTV, and any other smart card anywhere. So let me on it now. So can now go to DStv button. This is DStv button area. So we'll now type in the smart card number. Okay, so after typing in the smart card number, you now go ahead with continue button. So just bring out the customer's name. After bringing out the customer's name, just scroll. You go to change. Okay, so the channels have started showing. They have started showing. So all the channels have come.